Today episode is
Dark Purple Hopperworm and his friends causes such trouble at Scratch Cat's birthday party, Part 2.
Let's escape this party so we can destroy El Brat's house, to kill always people, change Las Vegas sign, and we will have to steal the money for each bank.
Let's explode El Brat's house with any bombs and grenades.
Yes. We exploded El Brat's house. Now let's go and kill always people.
Oh no. What happened to my house? And they got exploded.
Do you have a friend?
Yes. Dark Purple Hopperworm. I will join at the friends.
Good work. Now let's get inside the tank and destroy Las Vegas.
Where are you going now? Dark Purple Hopperworm.
I am now going to Las Vegas with tank to destroy them all.
time to destroy Las Vegas to the Nevada.
Goodbye Las Vegas. Welcome to Berlin Flughafen.